Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can get chess.com premium, so let's get right into it. Now, to get premium, you just need to subscribe to a plan, and the way you do this is, well, simple. You can do it in two ways. As you can see, I am logged into my account on the chess.com site, and I have this option of a free trial here. You just want to click that, and now I can try a free trial plan. As you can see here, you have from gold all the way to diamond. You have monthly or yearly subscriptions. It depends on what you want. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And now you just have to click try a plan or subscribe, enter your credit card information, and then you're good to go with your premium plan. You can do that, or you can go alternatively into settings, go to all settings, and then go scroll down until you get to membership slash payment. If you're a basic member, select membership plans, and then just choose one of these ones. As you can see, it takes you to the same page, and you can do whatever you want. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.